So the first thing is the definition of a rational number. Rational number किसे कहते हैं, है ना? A number.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, yes. Of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers, है ना? And Q is not equal to 0, means the denominator should never be equal to 0. तभी हम उसको rational number बोलेंगे, है ना? Example. If I am writing 2 by 3 or minus 1 by 2 or 4 by 5, anything, or 5 by 2, all are rational numbers. Is this much understood?
Yes, sir.
Jagrit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can define it whenever asked. That can you define rational number? Then a number of the form P by Q, P and Q are integers. They can be positive or they can be negative also. If I am writing here 1 by minus 2, is that a rational number, Jagrit?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Why no?
Sir, because sir, it is minus 2. Sir,
Then is minus 2 not an integer?
Sir, it is.
Then what for I have given the definition? उससे match करो ना. First see the statement what is written. P by Q. तो ये हमारा P हो गया and this is our Q. This is also an integer. This is also an integer and this is not equal to 0. सारा definitions तो match हो रहा है. इसमें क्या problem है? Why it will not be a rational number?
Okay, sir.
If I am writing here like this, or I am writing minus 1 by minus 100, is this a rational number, Abhijit?
Yes, sir.
Is this a rational number? Minus 1 by minus 100?
No, sir.
Why no?
Sir, because
है?
it is not
हाँ.
matching. Sir, because it is not equal to 0.
Not equal to 0 तभी तो rational number होता है. अभी तो इतना सारा मैंने क्या बताया? नीचे denominator 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. तो 0 कहाँ है? सही तो है. ये हमारा इंटीजर होना चाहिए. इंटीजर है ना? ये भी हमारा इंटीजर होना चाहिए. इंटीजर तो है ही ये भी. और ये जो डिनोमिनेटर है दैट शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. तो 0 इक्वल नहीं है ना. सब कुछ तो सही है. इसमें क्या इश्यू आ रहा है? डाउट हो रहा है तुम लोग समझ में नहीं आ रहा. इसमें क्या है जो इतना कंफ्यूजिंग है? इतना सिंपल स्टेटमेंट ऊपर लिखा हुआ है और उससे मैच करना है द क्राइटेरिया. क्या डाउट है बताओ.
Sir, nothing.
कोई डाउट भी नहीं है और आंसर भी तुम्हारा उसमें गलत आ रहा है. 0 मिल जाएगा ऐसे ही और बोलोगे नो डाउट्स. स्क्रीनशॉट लो इसका, क्लियर करेंगे.
Sir, written.
If I am writing minus 400 by minus 1200, is this a rational number?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is 2 a rational number?
No.
Both of you know only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Why
sir.
no? Can 2 not be represented in the form P by Q? एक
Sir,
तरह
I
से ये
said
2
yes.
जो है, you said yes.
Yes,
या
sir.
तो वो दिखे या it can be represented. 2 का मतलब 2 by 1 होता है ना? This is P,
Yes.
this is 2 and this is not equal to 0. Means it is a rational number. समझ में आया? Is 0 by 1 a rational number?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is 1 by 0 a rational number?
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So this is clear. Now if I am telling you to write a positive rational number, can you give one example, Jagrit? Positive rational number.
Sir, both a numerator and denominator.
Okay, 2 by 3. Is minus 2 by minus 3 a positive rational number?
Yes, sir.
Good. And negative rational number क्या हो जाएगा? Is 2 by minus 3 a negative rational number?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now we will be talking about equivalent rational number. Okay. Equivalent. Have you heard of this anytime?
Yes, sir, in fraction.
Okay. If there is a rational number, suppose I am writing p by q. So इसका equivalent क्या हो सकता है? P by Q, both the numerator as well as denominator will be multiplied with same number or integer. Then it will be called as its equivalent rational. समझ में आया कुछ?
Yes, sir. I know. My teacher told me.
Okay, now tell me three equivalent rational numbers of 2 by 3.
Sir, I have to write it.
हाँ, solve करो बताओ.
Sir, 3 rational number.
हाँ, three equivalent rational numbers of 2 by 3.
Sir, done. Sir, done.
अब बताओ जागृत, what answers you have got?
Sir, Abhijit, I have done.
Sir, I am on last.
Okay. अभिजीत बताओ.
Sir, 4 by 6,
हाँ.
6 by 9,
Okay.
8 by 12.
Sir, I got same.
Okay. Then this much is understood, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt.
हाँ बताओ.
Sir, if there will be a minus sign, so it will be like multiplying the multiplication only.
ऐसे -2/3 है तो पूछ रहे हो?
Yes, yes, sir.
तब भी सेम ही करेंगे. इंटू टू तो क्या हो जाएगा? -4/6. इसको अगर छोटा करेंगे तो वही हो जाएगा ना. 2 2 जा 2 3 जा तो -2/3 नहीं आएगा सॉल्व करने से. मींस दोनों इक्वल है, बस उसका न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं सेम नंबर से, बट दे ऑल द वैल्यूज ऑफ ऑल इज सेम ओनली. लाइक 1/2 एंड 2/4 आर सेम. 2 1 जा 2 2 जा इक्वल टू 1/2 आ जाएगा ना.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. ओके. नाउ एक्सप्रेस 12 by 108 in standard form. Do you know what does that mean?
Yes, sir. Simplest form.
Jagrit, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
करो, बताओ कितना आ रहा है आंसर.
Sir, done.
Okay, what's your answer?
9 or 9/1.
9/1?
Yes.
Sir,
Abhijit?
it can be 9 also.
Sir, doing.
This is wrong. हाँ बताओ.
Sir, 1
अभिजीत
upon
बताओ.
9.
हाँ.
Sir, 1 upon 9.
1
upon
9.
9.
12/108. So the numerator is less or denominator is less, Jagrit?
Sir, numerator is this.
The numerator is less, then in the simplest form also the numerator will be less only. Like 2/4, 2 1s are 2 2s are equal to 1/2. Here both are less and here both are greater. Now what to do?
Yes, sir.
12 and 108. If you are having any doubt, then first find the factors of 12. 2 6 are 2 3s are. So 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. And if we are finding the factors of 108, 2 5s are 4s are 2 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are. You can write here 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 1 2 1 2 cancels. This also cancels. This also cancels. So 1/9. 3 3s are 9. So you can do like this also, or you can do 12 1s are and 12 9s are 108. So 1/9. Is that understood how to do?
Yes, sir.
Can I give similar questions now?
Yes, sir.
-244 divided by 1 1 2 0. Now do this one.
Sir, in simplest form.
Simplest form या फिर standard form, है ना, दोनों एक ही.
Okay.
Convert to standard or simplest form.
Sir, done.
What's your answer?
-1/5.
-1/5. Abhijit?
Sir, I'm not getting.
Okay, let us check. 244 को चलो फैक्टराइज कर लेते हैं. 2 1s are 2s are 2s are 2 6s are 2 1s are. ठीक है. 1 1 2 0 को भी कर लेते हैं. 2 5s are 6s are 0s are 2 2s are 2 8s are 0s are 2 1s are 4s are 0s are 270 2 into 35 5 into 7. So it can be written as -244 by 1120 equal to 2 into 2, यहाँ माइनस तो रहेगा ही, into 61, है ना, डिवाइडेड बाई, नीचे क्या आ गया, 2 कितनी बार है, 1 2 3 4 5 टाइम्स, है ना, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 5 and 7 is left. Now these two 2's will get cancelled, equal to -61 divided by how much? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 280. That's all. This is the simplest form. How you got 5, Jagrit?
Sir, I thought it come in. Sir,
तुक्का नहीं मारना है ना.
200.
How you thought? You have to first check it ना. अगर 244 से कर रहे हो, then 244 into 5 you have to cross check. Will that be equal to 1120? 5 4s are 20, 2 carry over 22, 2 carry over 5 2s are 10, 11 12. It's 1220. Is that 1120? So first check करना है ना, तुक्का नहीं मारना. ठीक है. Okay, solve some more. Suppose I am writing 24 by -96. Write this one in standard form. What's your answer?
1/-4.
-4. अभिजीत हुआ तुम्हारा?
Sir, same.
ओके, तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ये नहीं है. ठीक है. इफ यू आर गेटिंग 1/-4, देन माइनस को ऊपर लेके जाना है, -1/4. दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. नेगेटिव साइन अगर 1 है तो इट विल ओनली बी इन द न्यूमरेटर. समझ में आया?
Sir, why?
व्हाई? दैट्स द रूल. स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखने का रूल है ना. 1/2
Okay,
को
sir.
you can write as 2/4 also ना, but there is the rule कि simplest form में करने के लिए we have to write like this. Similarly, this is the rule. If there is 1/-4, you have to write it like this. And दोनों का वैल्यू इक्वली आएगा ना. Like 1/-4 है, you can write here into -1 and into -1. It will give us what? -1/4. This is also equivalent only ना. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Express 4/15 as a rational number with denominator 60. Can you try this, both of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Jagrit, done?
Sir, doing.
Okay. अभिजीत तुम तो तक दूसरा करो। एक्सप्रेस 27 by -45 as a rational number with denominator equal to 5. Try this one.
Done, sir.
What's your answer, Jagrit?
The 15/4.
15/4. That's really surprising. Denominator 60 होना चाहिए ना?
Sir, can I tell?
हाँ.
Sir, 16/16.
Good. क्वेश्चन समझ में नहीं आया जागृत तुम्हें? You have to express 4/15 in such a way that the denominator is 60. Denominator 60 कैसे आएगा? तो 15 into 4. 15 is to be multiplied with what? 4. Then only we'll get 60 here. Similarly, into 4 इधर भी करना पड़ेगा. So this is 16/60. That's all. 15/4 कहाँ से आ गया? Can 4/15 be equal to 15/4? क्या 2/3 3/2 इक्वल हो सकता है?
Sir, done. Second question.
कितना आया?
Sir, -3/5.
-3/5. See, Jagrit, what we have done here. 27 by -45 and now denominator should be 5. How we can get 5 in the denominator? By dividing it by
Dividing
-9. By -9. तभी आएगा ना 5. So the same thing is to be done in the numerator also. Now if 27 is divided by -9, it will be -3 and here it will be 5. So this is the answer. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can take a screenshot also afterwards, revise it.
Done, sir.
Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Express -36/48 as a rational number with denominator equal to 4. Try this.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, Jagrit, what's your answer?
-3/4.
Good. हो जाए तुम्हारा अभिजीत?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So standard form also we have done. Let us do something like find x such that -3/8 and x by -24 are equivalent rational numbers. Understood? Try this one.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, wait for Jagrit.
Done, sir.
Okay, Jagrit, what's your answer?
-9.
-9. Abhijit?
Sir, same.
Same. Okay, let us check. -3/8 equal to -24 नीचे कैसे आएगा? 8 into how much? -3 है ना? So here also what we have to do? Into -3. So ऊपर क्या आएगा? 9 आएगा कि -9 आएगा?
-9.
-9 आ जाएगा. -3
No, sir,
इंटू -3 -9 होता है। तुम लोग तो फिर तुम्हें वही पढ़ना पड़ेगा शुरू से।
No, sir, 9.
-9 मतलब तुक्का ऐसे ही मार रहे हो है। 9, सो दोनों का ही गलत है। बोथ ऑफ यू 0 आउट ऑफ 10। Now next question है fill in the blank. -9/5 equal to box. There is a fill in the blank option. Then comes 27/40 equal to -45/40. Now try this one and fill the blanks.
Sir, I cannot understand.
If I am writing -9/5 -9/5 equal to something by 20, then how 20 came here? 5 into 4 तभी आएगा ना 20.
Yes, sir.
So it is a simple common sense. Then 9 into how
Sir,
much?
I
9 will
cannot.
also drive 4. So, huh?
Sir, I cannot understand the last one. What will come in the last? Sir, I know the first one.
Okay, what will come in the first box?
Sir, 3.
3. So that's wrong. So you didn't understand anything.
Sir, I know.
अभिजीत तुम्हारा हुआ?
Sir,
बताओ.
Sir, I have only done for first box.
हाँ बताओ फर्स्ट बॉक्स का क्या आया?
Sir, -36.
Good. -36. Because 5 की जगह 20 कैसे आएगा? 5 is to be multiplied by 4. Similarly, -9 will also be multiplied by 4. Simple. जब अभी तक हम इतना सारा कर रहे थे ना इक्विवेलेंट, थोड़ा सा कॉमन सेंस लगाना है, वो भी तुम लोग से नहीं हो रहा. So -9 into 4 is -36. Okay. Now 27.
Sir,
How 27 can come? -9 into how much will come 27? -9 into -3. So the same thing is to be done here. 5 into -3, which will give us -15. Now -9 into how much will give us -45 into 5. So here also we will be doing into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. Take a screenshot. इसको देखते रहना फिर घर पे और क्या करोगे.
Sir, I have not done this before.
हाँ बट सिंपल कॉमन सेंस है ना इसमें. व्हाट टू बी, इसमें रटना थोड़ी है. यू डोंट हैव टू एनीथिंग मग अप. ये तो बस फिल इन द ब्लैंक है ना. इफ आई एम राइटिंग हियर 1/2 इक्वल टू ब्लैंक बाय 4, डोंट यू नो दैट व्हाट कैन बी राइट हियर? हियर 2/4 विल कम, क्योंकि इसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में करेंगे तो 1/2 ही आएगा ना. तो सिंपल कॉमन सेंस है इसमें. यू हैव टू मग अप सच क्वेश्चन.
Okay, sir.
Now find x. -48 by x equal to 2. Now find the value of x here. जागृत एनी स्कोप?
Yes, sir.
मन आ गया आंसर जागृत?
Yes, sir.
तो क्या आया?
Sir, -24.
You have done it yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. -48 by x equal to हम 2/1 लिख सकते हैं. And you also know cross multiplication, isn't it? Into 1 equal to 2x, or x equal to -48 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4s are, and here minus, so it will be -24. Okay. So all types of questions in the first exercise is over. Now I am giving the pick of the book of the exercise you have to do, okay? And see how much you can do. The more you can do, the better it is. If you are having any doubts, please tick mark, okay?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, आज के लिए इतना ही. मैं फोटो भेज रहा हूँ फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज का, वो पूरा करके भेजो. हाँ
Sir, what time is the class tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be the same time. If there are any changes, I will let you know.
Sir, 8:30.
8 o'clock or 8:30, this only be, because I am taking online classes for in the evening also. When I get late, then I take at 8:30. When I'm on time, I take it at 8 p.m.
Sir.
Okay. So I am sharing the pic of from my book of the first exercise that you have to do. Okay. So let me see how much you can do from that. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome.